No, after that beautiful ending, Futurama is back. And all I can say is,
Yes! Yes!
because between you and I always believed that this show was always better than The Simpsons. So despite the fact that they tried to kill the show not only once, but twice, the show is back again. Thanks to Hulu and the guys and the original cast and everybody is returning. Now looking at the new trailer, it's all good news. Nothing but good news we're seeing from the trailer. Because the original humor and charm of the original series is back in spades. And all the jokes just hit the mark from the trailer. It was perfect. Even Bentner's usual charismatic evil charm still intact. Even better, if you are worried about in this PC world, will they still tackle certain current affairs? Well, based on the trailer, we got your crypto jokes and we got our COVID jokes. So that's a check mark right there. We don't have to worry about the season, it seems. So the only problem I have really is it's going to be on Hulu. I'm not the best fan of Hulu. But guys, just watch it. Just watch the trailer yourself in full. I will have the link below. It's going to be funny. It's going to be great. And Bentner is back, baby. He's back. Yeah, so yeah, I love the trailer. More of it, please. Can't wait for July. So that's it, guys. That's it from me. For everything else on cartoons, you're already at the right place. Lucas and Studio.